hello. Are you looking for something or someone? I'm Glinda. It's good to see me, isn't it? Join me as I get ready for a glamorous day. Alright, you guys, I already prepped and applied foundation, so I'm moving right into the eyes. Y'all, how gorgeous is this Wicked palette from Rem Beauty? Oh, just wow. Taking that shadow goodness knows, I'm going to apply it above my crease area, just blending it in as much as possible. Then I'm going to take Thrillifying and work it right into goodness knows. Next, I'm applying that vibrant pink shadow to the crease area and the outer corner of my lid for some pink depth. Then using the shadow Perfectly Pink with my finger, I'm going to place that right into the center of my lid and the inner corner of my eyes to really make them pop. For liner, I'm just going to be using this black NYX liner, and I'm just going to line my waterline, really focusing into that inner corner of my waterline and just on the outer edge of my lower lash line. I heard Ariana talk about this look and how she really liked it because it was fresh, and it wasn't so much about the liner as it was about the lashes that were flared out. Time to curl them lashes for some lift. Then applying some black mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous, starting at the base of my lashes and wiggling upwards. Then I'm going to take these dramatic lashes from Alley Crown Hair in Fluffy Fox, and I'm going to apply some lash glue, allowing it to get nice and tacky, and then place that right as close to the lash line as possible. Adjust with some tweezers, then bat those beautiful eyes. Now taking this face palette from Nicole Miller, I'm going to add some bronzer and some blush. Time for some sparkle and shine. Using my ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed in Disco Lady, I'm going to apply it all over very generously. Then using that highlighter, I want to highlight my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and at the tip of my nose. Now on to the lips. Using this pink lip liner from Nicole Miller, I'm going to line my lips. And then fill it all in with this sparkly lip balm from HGN Beauty. Mwah! And there is my glamorous Glinda look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I got my wig, my dress, and all my accessories from Amazon. I'll leave a link below in the description box. And you guys, I cannot wait to see this movie. I remember being captivated as a little girl watching The Wizard of Oz and watching Wicked the musical in 2015 as an adult. My mind was blown. So I cannot wait to see what John M. Chu has done with bringing it to the big screen. Let me know what character look you would like to see next in the comment section below. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!